Christina from the Londog Dog blog. Today I'm going to show you how you can find a dog-friendly hotel using the most popular hotel meta search engines. I have selected a few that you can also see on this page, but there are a few more that we're going to go through, and we'll guide you through the process step by step. You can also find a written description or guide on the blog with many more options at the link that you can find in the description of this video. Okay, so we're starting with Kayak. So kayak.com, if you type it in your web address bar, it will actually redirect you to kayak.co.uk. As you can see here, we have a pop-up telling us this thing. Kayak, I particularly like this website because you can actually, as you see here, compare Kayak results with a number of other meta search engines, in particular Booking, eBookers, Expedia and HomeAway. For the purpose of this particular search, we will just untick the comparison, which would otherwise open other pop-ups where we can browse properties, because we just want to see how to find a dog-friendly accommodation on Kayak. So as you will see, you can basically enter your preferred place here. For example, we can type in London, United Kingdom, and we can find set different dates, let's say from Friday to Sunday 7th April, and we just hit search. We will then get this results page. As you see, you have already a number of properties here, but of course this is not filtered according to the fact that you want your dog to be allowed. So how do you do that? You will see that on the left hand side you have a navigation bar where you can select a number of filters, and if you just scroll down a bit, you will find amenities here. Just click on the arrow and you will get your first filter is pet friendly. So if you hit that, it will automatically refine your search and bring on just the hotels which are dog friendly. Of course, you can then go to the map to see where they are, or choose filter your results according to the host of other filters that you have on the page, from price to neighborhood to other things you would like them to have, like a swimming pool, etc. So this is kayak.com or kayak.co.uk, where you can find your dog-friendly accommodation. If we now close Kayak and we go to Expedia. So Expedia is actually, obviously, probably every one of you knows Expedia. It's a huge other meta search engine which does both hotel and flights. And in our case, we go on expedia.com, and then so we can, they suggest us to shop on United Kingdom. It's fine. Expedia.co.uk, and we can select hotels as we are just interested in dog-friendly hotels. Again, we can do a test with London. We can find London, UK, checking in, same dates, let's say 5th of April until the 7th, travels to adults, and then we hit search. It will take a bit. Now it's searching our properties, find them. Okay, perfect. Again, very similarly like as Kayak, you will have to refer to the this column, and if you scroll down, you will find amenities here, not in the first results, but if you click show more, you will have pets allowed, conditions apply. Again, you tick your result and you will get your dog-friendly hotels that you can then further refine. So next on is Trivago. So if you go on trivago.co.uk, you will have a similar thing. So again, London, your check-in dates, let's say Friday to Sunday, a double room, okay, search, and you have your results page. So as you see, this is slightly different. You will have to go, your navigation filters are on the top rather than on the left hand side, and you will just go on more filters, click here, and you will find pet friendly. So if you click on pet friendly, then again you have your dog friendly properties displaying here. By the way, Trivago is part of the Expedia group, in case you didn't know. Next up, we have hotels.com. So hotels.com works similarly to the others. We can go to the search form and type in London, as we'll do the same search across all of them. And we can go on April, we can find your things. Okay, 1 room, 2 hotels, search. A bit slow, it's coming. Okay, perfect. Very similarly to the others, you have your filters on this bit. This time you go on facilities, this one. You click on it and you just scroll down a bit until you find pet friendly, and you tick on your pet friendly filter. And at this point, you do have your pet friendly hotels. Again, down. If we go on, we have Booking. So booking.com, I think probably everybody has used it before. It's quite straightforward, this one as well. Again, as the others, we will type in London here. Okay, I think it probably, there are some cookies that are reading what we have been doing on the other websites. So we can search and we have our unfiltered results. So if we go in the filter navigation bar and we scroll down a bit until we find facilities, and then under facilities we will have pets allowed here, which is a bit less than Kayak, which was 302 results. This is 232 properties. So again, here you have your pet friendly results. As you can see, this property allows pets. There are also the icons. Next up, eDreams. So here, obviously, since eDreams also does flights, make sure to click on hotels, because of course you're not interested in flights or flights and hotels. And you will type in your destination. Then you'll have your dates. Let's see, to the 7th, 1 room, 2 hotels, let's say. And this opens a pop-up window, a new window, where we have our results. At this point, again, we need to refine our search, and we have again some filters on the side. In this case, we have to scroll down to facilities. Again, it's a bit down, further down, pets allowed, and here we go. So it's the same as Booking, basically. So, okay, we can close this up. Next up is TripAdvisor. So probably you have used TripAdvisor to find ratings of hotels, of things to do, restaurants, especially restaurants probably, and everything else. So they also actually have a meta search engine for you to book places, obviously. So you can go on London, let's say. And then you pick your checkout, check-in, update, okay, it's fine. And then you will have to refine your search again. In this case, it's under amenities. So it's one of the first filters, and you just click on more. and you scroll down to pet friendly. And here you go. This is your 101 properties for, so it's definitely less as what we saw for booking and less than kayak for sure. Last one that we're gonna have a look at today is last minute. So how to find a dog-friendly, pet-friendly hotel and on last minute. Obviously, you have to navigate to hotels and type in your destination as the others. Then you go and pick your dates and click find. Okay, it's loading a bit slowly. Okay, again, on the side you have your filters. So if you go under facilities, then you have pet friendly here. You check the box, and you have your 137 results, which are dog friendly. So again, this is a bit less than what we saw for kayak. Quite far less, since it was 302 results. And here you go. I hope these helped. I'm gonna tell you more in the next videos about how to find a dog-friendly cottage and a dog-friendly Airbnb, and more. So stay tuned.